guys, it's Izzy and
Ellie!
And today we're going to be making some slime. So we've wanted to do this for a while, haven't we? Yeah. So Eloise going to show you how to do it. What space do we need?
Glue.
Good girl. So we got this glue for £2 at the Works. You get, how much is it you get in this? 500ml, and she's just going to squeeze quite a lot of glue in there. We want to make quite a lot of slime, so we're going to do 2 lots. We're going to do one that's blue and one that is orange. So what's the next one we need, Eloise?
Shaving foam.
Good girl, and you're going to pour this in for me a lot. Go, woo! Keep going, and stop. So you want enough to cover the glue, so you want double the amount of glue as like shaving foam, and we're just going to mix it together because we want this to be really fluffy.
Yeah.
And if it looks like this and it looks a bit too foamy, all you're going to do is just add a bit more glue. Do I say what you were going to say?
And if it doesn't come out the thingy that it needs to be, we have to make it all again.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to make sure this is well mixed. As you can see, it looks like it needs a bit more glue.
Yeah.
So we like to make quite a lot of slime.
It looks like somebody's farting.
So next we're going to actually add some of this foamy soap, and I found this is pretty good, but it does change your slime to a different colour, so if you want it white I wouldn't recommend using this in it, but we're just going to use about that much, and it does expand, so do be careful with that, and we need to mix this.
Yeah, but it's quite a lot, so you must be careful that it doesn't come out the bowl.
As you can see, I'm making sure it doesn't bite. It's turned a nice colour, don't you think? Whoop.
And then go down to
So once it's all mixed, it should look like this.
Yeah.
Sorry about the squeaky jars, like, you know. But what's next, Elle?
food colouring.
And we're going to do blue.
Yeah.
So we're going to, actually, we'll add half and half. So we'll have a bit there. And then we're going to use orange on it. Whoa! So then we're just going to mix that.
Wow.
It's a weird colour.
Yeah.
Like half of it's blue.
Half bit's orange.
This is so weird. Look at this. Look how weird that is.
Yeah, it's so weird. I don't think it's going to be slime.
Okay. So then we have these measuring cups, and we're going to make sure we add 2 lots of these, and I'm not too sure what. Oh, these are 15 mils, is it? Yeah. So we're going to add 2 of these.
1.
And this is hot water mixed with bicarbonate of soda. And this will help it come. So as our activator today, we're going to be using Optrex Multi-Action Eye Wash, and this is quite expensive, but it does a job that it's needed to do. So we're going to add 1 of these. You're going to mix. So as you can see, it's starting to get tougher.
Yeah.
And that means it's going to be
Slime!
slime! So you're just going to keep mixing. Do not add more unless you feel the need to after you've mixed for about a minute or 2.
Shall I move that out of the way?
Yeah, thank you. As you can see, I haven't added any more of the activator, and it is becoming. No, don't. It won't. It'll just be dead sticky, I promise. And if it's still like this, add a bit more of your bicarbonate soda and water. This is like the stuff that helps it get together. I don't really know what the reaction is, but you know, if it makes slime, I'm happy. So I'm just gonna keep mixing. Whoa!
You've got to say because it's so slimy. You've got to say
As you can see, it's still a bit sticky, so I'm just gonna keep mixing until it is the right consistency. So maybe we're going to add a cupful of this. Maybe just about that much. Comes with this cap as well, so you can use that as a guidance.
What? It just split it out. When does he split it out? What? It looks really foamy, but...
Can you go and get us a container out? She's just going to go and get us a container, and I'm going to make sure that this is workable. I'm going to dip my hand inside the mixture of the bicarbonate of soda and water.
I know what you can use because I know that you can just get 2 of these. No, I didn't. Okay, 2 of these.
Okay. As you can see, it's coming together. We're just going to play with it for a bit. She's alright. She's got it.
Ow. I've hurt myself now.
Shall we sing the slime song?
Yeah.
We're going on a trip to make some slime.
Go, oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so let's see that's good consistency. Okay, so we're going to split this in half.
Yeah.
You can put it on your surface because it's not going to stick to anything. And what?
As you can see, it's really stuck. Like it's
Try to zoom in on this one.
Yeah.
Get a good thing.
Shall I help you to do it?
Oh, Eloise, mind your sleeve. Right, wait there.
Can you see that it's just so sticky? We're going to pop it in the container.
Bubble!
Bubble!
Eloise, big hat. Oh. Little sisters is hard work, but... So now we're just going to split it in half.
What? And it's going to be...
Eloise, leave this to me. You're going to get it on your jumper, darling.
I'm not even taking it off. I'm taking it off so it don't get on my jumper.
Sounds really weird.
Sounds like a poo. I don't think it sounds worse, but it does sound like a poo-poo.
Okay, so there's one done. And now we're going to try and put this in there.
Sleeves. Can you pull my sleeves up? Can someone just pull my sleeves?
I'll do it in a second. So, because that's like a bit weird of a colour, I'm just going to grab a bit of the blue. Like a tiny bit. Just going to mix that together. You may get this on your hands, but it does wash off.
Should I make a bubble?
I'll do it on her. Okay. No, don't. Out. Shall I zoom in on this one?
It's just like, it's so stretchy.
So,
Thank you for watching this video. Bye!
bye!